Welcome to Bobbi Jo's. Today we're going to be making a chocolate chip skillet cookie. You want to start by preheating your oven to 325 degrees. Also, you want to go ahead and melt 12 tablespoons of butter. That's 1.5 sticks. Go ahead and melt it and let it cool down a little bit. You want it just warm. You don't want it piping hot. My butter's been melted for a few minutes, so it's cooled down some. It's still warm, but it's more like a lukewarm. And we're going to add our sugars. You need 1 cup of light brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Okay, we just want to cream the sugars together. You can do this with a mixer or you can just do it by hand, whichever way you prefer. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and I have 1 large egg and 1 large egg yolk. We're going to mix this together. And this is 2 cups of all-purpose flour plus 2 tablespoons. So 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Oh, and you also want to mix in 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And next, you want to mix in 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. Use whatever kind. You want to use dark chocolate, milk chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate, however you want to do it. You can use it. You just fold your chocolate chips in. This is a 10-inch Lodge cast iron skillet. I usually heat my skillet up before I put anything in it to cook, but I'm not going to do it with this cookie because we need to press it into the bottom of the skillet. There's plenty of butter in the cookie, so it shouldn't stick, hopefully. So I'm taking all this dough and I'm just going to pour it into the skillet. And now we are just going to press it down into the skillet. Okay, so we've got it pressed down into the skillet. And it's going to go in a 325 degree preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. You want it to be lightly browned, so just keep an eye on it. Once it hits 25 minutes, I'd keep an eye on it. You don't want to keep it in the oven until it's a little darker brown, just because this skillet will stay hot and continue to cook it after you pull it out of the oven. So once it's lightly browned, pull it out of the oven. All right, here is the skillet cookie. We want to let it sit in the skillet for about 20-25 minutes to cool down before we cut it. All right, let's cut it and see if it sticks to the skillet. All right, that's the first piece. You can see that it's pretty chocolatey. Okay, I'm giving half of this away. Because you know what? Steve don't need this whole skillet. He don't even need half of it, but that looks delicious. It smells delicious. Look at that. My light's not that good in here in the evening time. Look at all that chocolate melted in there. It's gooey in the middle and it's crispy on the outside.
Drool-worthy, 2 thumbs up. This is very good. So thank you.
Thank you for your review. Thank y'all for watching. Have a blessed day.